Namaskar. Good morning. Good morning. Honorable Chief Minister Siddaramaiah ji, my colleague, who is the large-scale industries minister, Mr. M.B. Patil, the man of the day, who has bring an IT revolution again to Bangalore, Mr. Priyanka Kharge ji, His Excellency Mr. John Christ Wester, His Excellency Ayser Ager from Germany, His Excellency Rafael Rosaki, Lord Mayor from, I think, inaugurated this hall, great hall, Mr. Reis, Chris Gopal Krishna ji, Kiran Muzaffar ji, Prashant Kishore, my colleague Sharat Bachegoda, and all the consulates, ambassadors, dignitaries, industry leaders, innovators, change makers, and my friends. It is my privilege to welcome all of you to Bangalore Tech Summit today under the inspiring theme of Futurize. Futurize is not a slogan. It is a change. It is a call of action. A commitment to anticipate change, innovation to build the foundation of tomorrow and today. You all have made Karnataka and Bangalore proud for coming here. The success of Bangalore lies on the confidence you have restored on us today being participate on this great event. Today I stand before you not only as the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, but as a voice of every participant, partnership, every investment, and every voice of the idea which you are here that can shape a better global future for the right here in Karnataka. This Bangalore Tech Summit 2025, as my friend said, the 28th edition of the flagship IT event of Karnataka, is started in 1998. And I was also the minister at S.M. Krishna's regime who laid the foundation on 1999 to 2004. Then I was the urban development minister during Krishnaji's time, who played a part in shaping the prestigious event. Bangalore Tech Summit is in Asia is one of the largest in the world, as you have agreed. Many of you acknowledged this event reinforces Bangalore's position as the IT capital of the world. For the first time, the event has moved from Bangalore Palace to this Bangalore International Exhibition Center. I'm very happy 25 years back, I only gave this license to start this great center. At that point of time, I was in the UD ministry. But today, 16 nations are participating in this event. All the 30 states from all over the country have been participating, and we have 1,200 exhibitors, 15,000 delegates, 10,000 startups, and more than 60,000 attendees are on the way to participate in the next 3 days. We are expecting about 550 speakers all over the world to participate in this event. Karnataka rise an IT powerhouse is not an accident nor a coincidence. Incentive from the government, from the private sector has made Karnataka what is today. Karnataka, as my friend said, that this is the state where the new IT policy was first started in this country. Karnataka also started the first IT department. Bangalore is next Georgia city. It is an idea, it is a movement, and an ever-evolving engine of transformation, as my global leaders who just said, commented on Bangalore. Often we refer this as the Garden City. Today, you know that it is not only a Silicon Valley of India and the startup capital of Asia. Bangalore stand convenient and heritage with the high-tech culture and cosmopolitan traditions and transformation. We are, at the same time, I think you all agree that this is a city with health and education only. As you know that in education, my secretary was telling you about the number of engineering college, number of IT professions which we are producing every year. In Bangalore, we have more than, the population of Bangalore is 25 lakhs of IT professionals. 13 lakh are there in California. You imagine the strength of quality IT professional. Though our population is 1.4 crores, almost 20% IT professional stands in this country and in this city, which we are proud. Today you are looking at many of the friends from global are inviting all of us, all of you to be a part of this event. Many world leaders have come to Bangalore. Instead of going to Delhi, the prime ministers have said that the world leaders have come to Bangalore, then going to Delhi. This shows the confidence which you have shown to this garden city. The city is not only, my chief minister was telling to one of my friends as we entered, welcome to the, what you said, this, the weather, the culture, and he was telling that this is the city with great, I think, the air-conditioned city, the entire city connected to other part. So Bangalore has more than 400 RD and centers which is here. The presence of 500 Fortune companies in income, or 12,000 active startups, making it one of the densest startup of the hubs globally. This city contributes over 40%, as all my friends said, more than 40 to 44% of the Indian software exports. I don't want to tell much more on Bangalore. You all know Bangalore well. But one thing I would like to tell you, technology and talent are the Bangalore twin pillars. Bangalore's strength lies just in infrastructure and policy integrity. You know that I would like to tell you, we have more number of engineering colleges, more number of paramedical, we have more number of medical colleges, and a great talent pool very long back. We have, there is no surprise that all the the top 5 AI talented cities in the world, this is there. We recognize talent, technology, innovation, investment, flourish only in the foundation are strong. That is why our government is accelerating infrastructure at high speed. But one thing I would like to tell you, that we know that you have trust in us. You have come to Bangalore, you have belief in us. We know that what is your problem. We are there, we are coming out with the greatest one of the infrastructure in these recent times. We are investing more than 1.5 lakh crores for the development of various infrastructure on mobility and various things. We know that we are coming out with about 41 kilometers of double-decker, twin tunnel, elevated corridor, buffer roads, and Bangalore business corridor about 131 2 kilometers to see that this traffic will come down. Anyway, be confident in order to help us and coordinate. Again, we are looking out in the next year. We are starting with a NRI. The government is starting up with a separate secretariat for the NRI investment, which globally many leaders are meeting me every day. We are coming out and developing the world-class city near Biddi with a AI city also. Lot of leaders are discussing on that. We are building an second international airport at the south of Bangalore. Already my industries minister is working out on that. There are no other city to match Bangalore at weather and culture. Anyway, I don't like too much things. This is I am meeting many bankers, meeting many fund creators. They are coming to us to help us, to fund us. That is why, because we have a great strength in every matter. The world leaders, the business leaders, ambassadors are meeting me regularly and presenting away their about importance of this city. Setting up in the intention of to settle down in Bangalore. Many of them want to settle back in Bangalore. As you said that we all are coming with a special policy to give more importance to, again I would like to tell you, we are coming out with a new policy for rural children, that the CSR, I would like to request all the industries leaders we are here, we are coming out with the new policy on CR, that we want to see that the rural education will grow a bit stronger apart from the city. I think you all should help us on this regime so that as we have to move to the second tier and the three-tier city for the better growth. Anyway, let us build the future where technology and creativity and extend all possible support for the mutual growth. Let us join together, make everyone strong. I believe that if you are strong, we are strong. We all are looking forward for a mutual cooperation. Let us all work together for a better Bangalore and better Karnataka and better India. Once again, we will be there. We want all of your suggestion, cooperation in the discussion. I think many speakers will then come out. Our leaders will take note of this. Let us all join together. I always tell that joining together is the beginning. Thinking together is the progress. Working together is the success. I hope that let us all work together to make Karnataka and India proud. Thank you. And once again, I would like to assure you, this is your city. Your city. We are on the globe. We want to compete on globally. We want global leaders to be in Bangalore. We want global issues to be shared here. And this is your city which you can grow and make strong. Thank you once again. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, sir. I would request the Honorable Minister Shri Priyank Kharge to kindly come over and give a memento to the highly dynamic Shri D.K. Shivkumarji. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Karnataka is indeed the place to be. Let's give a round of applause and thank Shri D.K. Shivkumar, sir. Appreciate him.